Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a quick, very easy dessert that was kind of perfect for summer. I saw this on another YouTuber's video. I think her name is Jessica Donahue, and it sounded very good, so I want to go ahead and do it. It's like a very simple, easy cobbler, and she said you can do it with any type of fruit. I'm going to do it with blueberries, but let me show you what ingredients you need. It's pretty easy. I will say I'm cutting this in half because I don't need that much, but I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients. So fruit of choice, I'm doing blueberries, but she said you could do blackberries, peaches, probably strawberries, whatever you want. And this, she said the recipe calls basically for one of everything, but she doubles the fruit just to make it have a little more fruit in it. So I guess we're gonna do one package of this blueberry. I'm doing a half a cup of milk, half a stick of butter, half a cup of sugar, and a half a cup of self-rising flour. So the one hack that she mentioned was taking the butter and putting it in your casserole dish and put it in the oven while it's preheating, so that way you don't have to melt it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but she does preheat the oven to 350, and I'll try to type this recipe into the description box as well for you. And we'll go from there, but let's get this butter in the casserole dish. And then we'll start washing blueberries and mixing up our mix. She did it in a 9x13 pan because she did the full recipe. I'm using a 9x9 again because it's just me. You know what? I take that back. This is an 8x8. I always thought this was a 9x9. Either way, it works, but I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, you leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was reminiscing on the time when we first met.
So I tried a bite of it. It's very yummy. It's not too sweet. She did suggest adding a little more sugar if you're using more of a bitter fruit like the blackberries, but I will say this is a great dessert for summer to throw in the oven and have. Obviously, if you did the full recipe, I think it would be great if you had company over. But I definitely enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed getting to see a quick, easy summer recipe, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.
Taken, baby.